Welcome to this beginner course and fundamental guide into the tides of the Forex market. For this section of this course, we will be discussing what Forex is and how it originated. Second, we would be taking a look at Forex in the internet age and its basics. Let's delve into the discussion for the day. What is Forex? Forex is the short term used to classify the foreign exchange market, popularly referred to as FX. In simple definitions, it means exchanging one currency for another or changing one currency into another currency. We would try to keep complex explanations simple throughout this guide. So, similarly, foreign exchange refers to the global market, where various countries within the globe trade currencies almost 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Of course, this isn't applicable to all tradable forms of exchange, with an exception of a few tradable. Within the foreign exchange market, we have various tradable pairs, metals, bonds, cryptos, stock, indices, commodities. The list keeps growing as the world remains dynamic. Take for instance that you travel from the United States to the United Kingdom. You would have to convert your USD, which is your local currency, at an exchange booth to get the currency of the country you are visiting or relocating to, which in this instance is the United Kingdom, which is a foreign country. And by doing this, you just performed a currency exchange in a foreign land, which therefore means you have just performed foreign exchange trades, evidently making you a participant of the Forex market. So before we go further to discuss the participants in the Forex market, let's go back in time and look at a brief history of the Forex market.